Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to invite employees to Gusto. So once your Gusto account and company setups are done, the next step is bringing your team on board. Inviting employees allows them to enter personal info, to set up direct deposits, and to access their pay stubs all online. And here's how to do it. Step 1, go to the People section. So from the Gusto dashboard, you want to click on the People tab that's in the left-hand sidebar. This is your hub for managing all employees and contractors. Step 2, click Add Employee. Now in the top right corner, you want to select Add Employee, and you're going to be prompted to enter some key details like full name, email address, job titles, hire dates, and compensation. Don't worry, this info can be updated later if anything changes. Step 3, assign access and onboarding task. Now, Gusto will send your employee an email invite. From there, they'll complete the rest of the onboarding themselves, including personal information, direct deposit setup, tax withholding selections, signing any necessary forms, and you can monitor their progress right from the dashboard. Step 4, confirm once complete. Now, after the employee finishes their part, Gusto will notify you and you can review their information as well as make adjustments if needed and officially activate them in your payroll. So inviting employee is quick, seamless, and helps you stay compliant from day one. Now your team is in the system and ready to get paid. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.